Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Pearl and Chrome series by Hotwheels, and this one is specifically the number 5 out of 6 in the series. And this is the custom 2001 Acura Integra GSR. So let's open and see how it looks. So again, this is just a main line, it is not a premium one, so don't buy it for more than 114 rupees. Hey guys, just why don't you just stand here? Stay. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. These guys are really getting in my way. Let's try to put it in this direction. Okay, so here it is. Here is the car itself. So there's not even a paint job for the headlights. The grill looks really nice. Let's put some light there. Hope you guys can able to see it. It is chromed. Okay, the tail lights are painted, which is a bit weird in my opinion. See, everyone is going to photograph a car, like this or this, mostly for their thumbnail or whatever it is. Most of them are not going to photograph it like this. The casting looks really solid. It is not heavy, but the casting looks really solid. So here is the bottom part. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls fast, but it is not smooth. So far in this series, the only smoothest car is the Unimark. Yeah, so here you go. I hope it does better in track sets as well. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.